Let's see how we use ajReadFile. We have a text file that needs to be imported into Excel. This is the location of the file. Select cell A1, type in equal, then ajReadFile. Then, open the parameter window as shown. On the file location, put in the text file's location. As for column separator, type comma as per the source file. Since there are no enclosure characters, we can skip these two fields. If there's a specific line you need to begin with, you can fill it here. You can also set the number of lines to read here. You can specify the character set or skip empty row if needed. Here, you can set the run condition and if it's run with function point only. For this practice, we will set it to false so we can get the result immediately. Select OK once everything is done. Next, select the range we want to display the result and press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter to make it an array formula. With that, you'll get your result as shown. Go to alchemyj.io and download our Community Edition to try it out today.